So you want to start a cleaning business, but your bank account says zero. Everyone tells you that you need a website, branding, ads, and money you don't have. Forget all of that. You don't have a cleaning business until you have a paying client. That's the only thing that matters. So if I had to start from zero today, here's exactly how I'd get my first 10 clients. For free. Most people fail because they wait. They hope customers will find them. Nobody's coming to find you. You have to go out and get them. You don't need perfection. You need action. Your first clients are closer than you think. Friends and family. You're not asking for help. You're offering a service. Hey, I'm starting a cleaning business. Do you or anyone you know need a cleaner? This is how you land your first 1 to 3 clients. Over-deliver, make the job perfect. Then ask for reviews. They are your biggest asset. Next, go where people are already looking. Local Facebook groups. Join multiple groups in your area. Don't spam. Be a normal person first. When someone asks for a cleaner, that's your moment. Reply clearly and follow up with a message. Your biggest opportunity are the businesses. Think real estate agents, landlords, Airbnb hosts. Offer to be their reliable cleaning partner. Give them a reason to refer you. Flyers still work because nobody does them. Focus on the right neighborhoods. One call can turn into a long-term client. Once you get clients, it gets easier. Ask every happy client for referrals. That's how you grow from 10 to 50 clients. You don't need money, you need action. If this helped, subscribe and start building your escape. Once you've secured your first few clients, it's time to scale. Leverage technology to streamline your processes. Consider using online scheduling tools to manage appointments efficiently, giving you more time to focus on cleaning. Invest in professional cleaning products and a uniform to solidify your brand's professional image. Engage with your clients on social media, provide excellent service, and encourage them to leave positive reviews. With time, your efforts will snowball into consistent inquiries and increased business. Be patient and persistent.